Prime Minister Narendra Modi will dedicate to the nation the second-generation ethanol plant at Panipat in Haryana through video conferencing tomorrow. More than 206 crore 88 lakh doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under nationwide vaccination drive. The Ashura-e-Muharram is being observed with due reverence and solemnity in various parts of the country today. The Assembly Committee on Women Empowerment will write to the state government on the need to put all hostels for children across the state under strict surveillance. Jowai MLA Vailat Miki Shilla donates Rs 50,000 to the under-14 football team of Me Mintudu RC Eve Secondary School.